how to put on a fitted diaper. This one is a Motherease one size fitted diaper. They're slightly different to other fitted diapers in that they have one size system, so you can adjust them in size, but it doesn't have any rise snaps here. So the way to make these smaller is you take them like this and then you fold the front over, and then you have another set of snaps here, and that is for smaller babies. So let's see if we can put our model on the smaller setting, but unfortunately I have the largest wrap to go with this, so it may not fit completely, but it'll give you a good overview of how to fit these. So this is the larger size, and fold it over, then they get shorter, and that's what we're going to use. Take our baby and fit this in the underwear line, and this as well. This is harder to achieve with these, and it's not super necessary with these either. So they should fit just above the bum cheeks at the back and below the belly button in the front. So you pull up and over, bring them over to the tightest, well, to the setting that fits the most. There we are. You still want to have space for 2 fingers, and check that the legs are fitted nicely towards the underwear line. And then you take your wrap and you do the same thing, except with this particular wrap. This is a Motherease Airflow. It's not important that you fit these elastics into the underwear line. It's not as critical with this one. This one fits more like an oversized granny underpant. But that allows it to breathe, and therefore some of the moisture that your baby creates will evaporate, and it will last longer, therefore. So you can just absorb more if some of it evaporates during the night. So this is obviously way too big, but to give you an idea how these fit. So they look a little bit like, yeah, oversized underwear. And this, I mean, even like this, this would leak. So it needs to be more like this. But it's just too big a size for this model. Try a different wrap so you can see the difference. This one will also be too big. This is one you can actually adjust, so let's put that on the smallest setting and see if that will fit. So this is just a wrap, and you can make it smaller with the rise snaps in the front. Okay. Make sure that the diaper wrap covers the fitted at the back, and bring that through. This you do need to fit in the underwear line. And smooth that across, pull up and over, and up and over. Push these up if you feel that gives you a better fit. I would actually say with this combination lends itself to having these down, because you want all of the fitted diaper underneath to be covered by the wrap, and these fit quite bulky, so you can actually see here something's poking out. That's going to probably cause you leaks, so you want to maybe have this tighter, or sometimes wraps and fitteds are not a good fit. You might need a bigger wrap like the Airflow, but in a different size. And you can have these asymmetricals. We could actually make the legs tighter and have the waist looser. That's totally fine, as long as your baby is comfortable with that and it all covers it. Maybe we should go down a size in the rise, see if that works better. So don't make it too tight, make it just half. You can do this before you put it on your baby. It makes it slightly easier. I have a very compliant model. He doesn't complain at all. Yeah, so this is trickier to fit. I would say probably that this wrap doesn't work very well with a Motherease one size. But if you have to make it work, just need some fiddling around. Okay, so it's still enough, maybe one tighter at the top. Still enough room there. Don't want it poking out, but this is fine. It's covering here. And there's nothing poking out at the back either. Okay? And that's a Motherease one size fitted with a wrap.